Hi everyone, my name is Min, and today I'm going to demonstrate my oscilloscope project by using MATLAB App Designer. So as you guys can see on my screen, I got three plots. The first two represent two channels on oscilloscope, which is the time domain, and the third one is the fast Fourier transform, which combine two channels together and convert them from time domain to frequency domain. So the bottom here is my parameter from the signal generators. So I can adjust the DC offset, the amplitude, frequency, phase, noise, and here I can change the waveform from sine to square or sawtooth wave. Here this knob is positions. I can move the graph up or down as I want. And here the volts per divisions. So I can zoom in and out for my graph. So here, example, I'm going to put my input. So here, as you guys can see, when I change the waveform from both channel, um, the frequency domain is also changed. So here I can zoom in and out for my graph and move up or down, and also the noise. Thanks everyone for watching.